Bill4Time is one of the many accounting software options out there, but is it the right choice for you? Before making a purchase, there are several things you need to know. This software promises a lot, but let's break down the facts and compare it with other competitors in the market so you can make an informed decision. First, Bill4Time is designed specifically for professionals like lawyers, accountants, and consultants. This focus on niche markets means that it's packed with features tailored to billable hours, which could be perfect if you work in these industries. But if you're running a small business in another sector, you might find it less flexible compared to other general accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which are more suited to a wider audience. Next, Bill4Time offers time tracking, which is a key feature for professionals who charge clients by the hour. The built-in timers make logging hours easy and accurate, which can save you a lot of time in the long run. But if you don't need such a specialized feature, you might not find it as useful, especially when other options like Harvest or Toggle offer more robust tracking features at a lower price point. The third thing to consider is its project management tools. Bill4Time lets you track projects and tasks, which can be really useful for larger teams. However, if you're looking for a software that goes beyond basic task tracking, you might find it lacking when compared to competitors like Zoho Books or Monday.com, which offer more comprehensive project management capabilities. Now, let's talk about billing and invoicing. Bill4Time has an intuitive system for creating and sending invoices, and it allows for customization to match your brand. However, other platforms like FreshBooks or Wave offer similar features for free or at a lower price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, these might be worth considering before committing to Bill4Time. The fifth thing is its reporting features. Bill4Time offers several reports to track expenses, profits, and more, making it easier to manage finances. However, if you're after in-depth financial analysis, you may find its reports a bit basic compared to alternatives like QuickBooks, which offers more granular reporting options for detailed financial insights. Next, Bill4Time integrates with various third-party apps, including QuickBooks, PayPal, and Google Calendar. This makes it easy to sync your data across platforms. However, it's worth noting that its integrations are limited compared to a more all-in-one solution like Xero, which has a larger range of connections to business tools and apps. The seventh thing is its mobile app. Bill4Time's mobile version is solid, allowing you to manage your accounts and track time on the go. But again, when comparing it to competitors like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, the mobile experience might feel a little less polished or feature-packed, especially for those who rely heavily on mobile devices. Next, Bill4Time's pricing is on the higher end, especially if you need additional users or features. For instance, the standard plan starts at a monthly fee that could easily add up if you need multiple users or extra storage. While it's an investment for businesses in niche sectors, other accounting tools like Wave or Zoho Books may offer more value at a lower cost, especially for freelancers and small businesses. Moving on, Bill4Time offers client portals, which are useful for sharing invoices and time tracking data directly with clients. But if you're looking for a more customizable or feature-rich client communication tool, platforms like HoneyBook might offer a better client experience with additional features like automated follow-ups and proposal generation. The 10th thing is its user interface. Bill4Time is generally user-friendly, especially if you're familiar with similar accounting platforms. However, for beginners, some features may seem complicated at first, and navigating through various options could take some time. If ease of use is your priority, FreshBooks and QuickBooks may have an edge with their more intuitive design. The 11th thing is customer support. Bill4Time provides phone, email, and live chat support, but there are occasional complaints about long response times. If you value fast customer service, other services like Xero or QuickBooks are often praised for their quicker and more helpful responses. Finally, Bill4Time offers a free trial, so you can test it out before fully committing. This is great for giving the software a spin and ensuring it's the right fit for your needs. But if you're still unsure after the trial, it's worth considering alternatives that offer more flexibility or features at a competitive price.